In this example, we've got some share data, and I want to see the volume traded per day. But you'll notice if I highlight it, it doesn't give me the average. When I try to do an average, it's not doing it because Excel doesn't seem to be recognizing this as a number. If I click here and I go and I delete the comma, notice that it seems to treat it as a number. I'm just going to undo that. So it looks like the comma is a problem. So I'm going to remove the comma. The function I'm going to use is called substitute. I'm going to tell Excel, please go look at that text there. Replace the comma with nothing, two inverted commas next to each other. And when I say OK, it does what it's told. And that's fine. But notice that it's still not giving me the average. So occasionally this happens. So now we need to force Excel to see that it's a number. So over here I'm going to come and use my value function if necessary. Point to that cell and copy it down. And now it is seen as a proper number and we can get the averages we want.